Daniel, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I'm going to the supermarket after work. Do you need anything?
Actually, yes. I need milk. I ran out this morning.
Again? I feel like you're always buying milk.
That's because I drink coffee every day. Without milk, my morning feels incomplete.
That sounds dramatic.
Maybe a little. What about you? What do you need?
I'm planning to cook dinner tonight, so I need vegetables, chicken, and some fruit.
Wow, that's healthier than my plan.
What was your plan?
Order pizza.
Daniel.
I know. You don't approve.
Not every day. Cooking at home is usually better.
You're right. Maybe I should learn a few simple recipes.
That's a good idea. Cooking isn't as difficult as people think.
Easy for you to say. You're a good cook.
I wasn't always. I learned by practicing.
Maybe you can teach me someday.
I'd be happy to.
Great. Just don't expect me to become a professional chef.
No promises.
Both laugh. By the way, what time are you going shopping?
Around 6 o'clock, right after work.
The supermarket will be crowded.
I know, that's the downside. Everyone shops after work.
I usually go later in the evening. It's much quieter.
That's smart, but by then I'm usually tired.
Fair point. Do you make a shopping list?
Always. Otherwise, I forget things.
That's exactly what happens to me. I go to buy 3 things and come home with 10.
And somehow you still forget the important item.
Exactly. Last week I forgot eggs.
That's why shopping lists exist.
Maybe I should start using one.
It definitely helps.
What's your favorite thing to buy at the supermarket?
Fresh fruit, especially strawberries. What about you?
Snacks. Definitely snacks.
I'm not surprised.
Hey, snacks make people happy.
In moderation.
You sound like a nutrition expert.
No, just someone trying to stay healthy.
That's fair. Maybe I'll buy some fruit today too.
Good decision.
And maybe vegetables.
Now you're really surprising me.
People can change.
We'll see.
Very funny.
Don't forget your milk.
See? This is exactly why I need a shopping list. Both laugh.
All right, I should get back to work.
Me too. Have a good shopping trip.
Thanks, and good luck remembering the milk.
No promises.
See you later.
See ya.